everyone, welcome for this new video. I'm just gonna live create again something. I'm working actually on my banner for YouTube and for LinkedIn because it's been more than a year I have no banner, and I was thinking now it's the time to create one. So I just thought let's go into Mural and see what we can do. Actually, I prepared some framework for later, which is the size for the YouTube thumbnail that I think now I will create them within Mural directly, because I always make a screenshot of Mural anyway. So I think it will be better if I design something specifically for this in Mural. Then you have the proportion for LinkedIn banner and YouTube save banner, because YouTube, you can have on TV, on smartphone or tablet, so we need to be something flexible, I would say. So it's kind of similar ratio. So we'll work with this. I just started to prepare my letters ratio, so we could just duplicate this one and press shift to keep the proportion. And you see it's not perfect, so I will use it. It's going to be easier. I chose this kind of blue, and by the way, one day I will make a video about how to get your custom colors, create nice palette. Okay, so this would be the good size, I think, for banners. Now I have these letters, and I will not spend too much time because I have another video where I say how to quickly make this effect. So I think I want to put this probably here, kind of. This should be centered a bit more. Yeah, kind of. So this is just the start. Now let's look this background. So I've never really tried this before, but my idea is to use many icons. I use these colors and try to make like kind of storytell thing on the letters. So I'm not sure about the result, but I think it will be fun anyway. Because I'm doing remote workshop design, I was thinking let's just write remote workshop and let's make something fun. Yeah, and I'm just practicing to explain what I'm designing, which is quite unusual. Anyway, let's get into this. So yeah, by the way, I didn't put the timer for this. I have actually 45 minutes. So let's start the timer and see what we can do. I guess I will have the front background to the back. This time I will add an icon that I want to be in the back of the letters, because normally it pops in the front. I have to send back. Sorry, but this blue background is once in the back, but after a few seconds it will be behind. So always I will have to send back again. So I should not lock it, but if it's unlocked, it will be hard to move anywhere. So we'll see. Just exploring, so the idea is to put a lot of icons everywhere to either tell a story or just make something fun. So I have no idea, and it's live. I didn't prepare, so it might be messy. Could be inside the, I don't know, let's see. So remember, send to back, send to back. After the whisper, I think I cannot select in the O. So what I should do is try to adjust before I send it back. I'm not sure how it would look like. Yeah, maybe you have to put it in. Yeah, why not? Sometimes it can be in the front letters. See if some shape or matching, or if it generate ideas, it's brainstorming while checking icons, basically. You can play with the highlighting the work, looking for the work, also remote work, remote workshop maybe. These green will be hard. But I have no idea. But I will find something eventually. For the moment, we can just stick with the excellence effect here. I'm not sure it's very useful. Geometry, sorry. And maybe we want to match the theme, so let's do this. Send back and send back this one. A little by little. So to key in. Yeah, can probably add some guy like this somewhere. So either same color, and actually we put some color. So now we have a guy for some reason climbing the arrow. So storytelling, you will come back. But yeah, I could go more with the little guys here and there. Then I will have to take off these bars. It's a crazy scale. Make no timer. Still have a timer. Much better. Move the mic. Voilà. Yes, I'm not sure. Well, already 15 minutes. Goes fast. I think I want to put many guys like this. And just see what happens. Climber. continue to have fun. Maybe in some, maybe mainly in India or in a place, they like to drive into a circle cage. Maybe you want an icon in one way and an icon in the other way. So maybe you can just use this guy. Because here there's no one, it's not for this. That would be fun, I guess. Let's see. 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter, and 3 letters. Koitoku. Okay. H hospital maybe. So here we have maybe in the middle a bed of someone. kissing the girl. Why not? Yeah, I will argue that it was on the plane and on the E to make it more fun. I think I saw a guy quit on the job. Hey. Production. I think we can call it a go. I will put as my banner for the moment, and I will change later. Anyway, it was fun to do this. I should have prepared because it's a bit nonsense, but anyway, that was fun, and talk to you soon.